Hello friends, it's Botany next episode. In this episode, we'll be continuing with the NCERT quick reference. And we'll be continuing with the respiration plans. Episode number 6, under which basically terminal oxidation, of which we'll be mainly discussing today, electron transport system or ETS or ETC. Comparatively difficult for most of the students. Detailed note I already published in YouTube. This is for quick reference. So some statement already I wrote there. It will be convenient for you. We can save time. Daily I'm putting 2 questions at 12:45. That is after lunch, 12:45 time. One from first year, one from second year. That also available in ACE Botany for NEET exam. And all these references based on NCERT reprint edition March 2024. For convenience, I will share the screen so it will be easy for you. So first, respiration. A flowchart represented there. So it will be easy for you to refer. Flowchart given here. Say respiration, glycolysis, common pathway, anaerobic, aerobic. Under anaerobic, we can find fermentation. Under fermentation, we can find it is ethyl alcohol fermentation and lactic acid fermentation here. And other side aerobic, link reaction, Krebs cycle, terminal oxidation, under which ETC as well as OP. ETC will be discussing today. I think first page is clear. Now we can proceed to second page. So basically, we have to identify what is ETC or ETS. So that is why question-wise I wrote there. So it will be easy for you. We can save time. Otherwise, I would write all this. So what is electron transport system? See, a group of specific chemicals, which include proteins, coenzyme, complex chemicals, through which electrons are passed based on redox potential. So accepting electron, donating electron, just like reduced and oxidized pattern, it will be moving. That is, it is. Now, second question is, what is electron carriers? Individual member of ETC or ETS is called electron carriers, individual members. Then, nature of movement of electron. This different manner we can explain, most simple manner, from high electropositive to high electronegative. Here in ETC, we can find from NADH to oxygen. And oxygen will be act at the end only, important NCERT. And why oxidative phosphorylation in mitochondria? In respiration through oxidation reduction, accepting and giving other way, or giving and accepting. So oxidation reduction process, energy is connected. That is given in NCERT, page 160, reprint edition, March 2024. Oxygen involvement is at the last stage only, important, true or false type statement. Final electron acceptor is oxygen, combines with the proton to form metabolic water. And there are ETC, electron transport chain inhibitors, which include protons, amytal, cyanide, etc. Now, site of ETC, it is in the mitochondrial membrane. Then total number of complexes, that is normally 5. 5 complexes are there. And complex 5, just like an odd one, it is involved in ATP synthesis. Complex 1 to 4 commonly connected with the electron transport system. I think second page is clear. Now we can proceed to third page. Okay. Now these are the complexes. That itself is a question. NADH, UP, quinone reductase or NADH dehydrogenase complex. 1. 2. FADH succinate ubiquinone reductase complex. It is connected with the Krebs cycle like an odd one. Then 3. Ubiquinone reduced form cytochrome C reductase complex. And 4th is cytochrome C oxidase complex. And remember cytochrome that it contains, that is complex 4 contains cytochrome AA3 and 2 copper centers, which is otherwise called terminal oxidase. Now, odd complex we can say for timing it is complex 5 because connected with the ATP synthesis. This diagram, famous diagram, concerned with NCERT, and it is a labeling question, etc. Now we can proceed to next page. Little bit more expanded form. Important for exam, that heading even I given there, so that indicates importance. Cytochrome C is a small protein attached to outer surface of the inner membrane and act as a mobile carrier for transfer of electrons between complex 3 and 4. So very important. Repeated question. NCERT page number 160, reprint edition 2024, it is given. Now comes electron transport system. See, 3 areas are involved. One is matrix. One is inner mitochondrial membrane. One is inner membrane space. Matrix. Second is inner mitochondrial membrane. Third is gap between 2 membranes. So specific areas given there. I think page is clear. And arrangement of complexes 1, 3, 2, 4, 5. This way it comes. And why are this 2 complex 2 comes after complex 3? Many reasons are there. 1 or 2. Complex 2 is concerned with a Krebs cycle FADS2. Another one is this is simultaneously taking place. This way different explanation given. Anyway, 1, 3, 2, 4. Then complex 5 ATP synthase or synthesis. I think idea clear. Now we can proceed to next page. Again, complexes. Once again, it is expanded there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is connected with ATP. And ETC takes place at in the inner mitochondrial membrane. Inner mitochondrial ETC. Each site is important, like glycolysis, link reaction, Krebs cycle, etc. Now, again, expanding complexes. In glycolysis, Krebs cycle, we can find many reducing powers will be created. That's a basic aim to create energy. Starting with NADH, electron in the matrix are acted by complex 1, NADH ubiquinone reductase. Electrons are passed into ubiquinone in the inner membrane. Now, complex 2 line we can find here. Complex 2 is concerned with FADS2, that is after complex 3, but for continuation, I just wrote there. FADS2 under complex 2 connected with the Krebs cycle during succinate to fumarate will supply protons to ubiquinone, complex 2. Now, ubiquinone H2. Ubiquinol. Reduced ubiquinone is called ubiquinol. Transfers its electron to next carrier cytochrome C through complex 3 cytochrome BC1 complex. Now, cytochrome C features, I already told you, it is important one. Now, oxidized ubiquinol is called ubiquinone. Reduced ubiquinone is called ubiquinol. Cytochrome C transfers its electron to complex 4. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. Arrangement is 1, 3, 2, 4. Anyway, cytochrome C oxidase complex, giving electron, receiving reduction. Cytochrome AA3 with and having 2 copper centers, important. Oxygen will act as a thermal acceptor of electron. And now more reactive, combines with the proton to form metabolic water. That is regarding a nutshell of ETC. Hoping that it is clear for you. Detail note I already published, class also taken on YouTube. This is for quick reference. If you like this episode, subscribe, Botany, like it, share it, comment on it. We can meet later.